my experience with them was fantastic. They did a very good job, neat, clean, on time, and I'm very happy with them. They did a great job on my house with 11 windows. They replaced 11 windows, and I'm very, very happy with the windows now. I love my new windows, and I can notice the AC bill came down, and as well the noise. They reduced the noise from outside, the heat, and coming into the house, and I love my new windows, yes. Installation crew, pretty punctual, they neat, very professionals, very neat and clean, and they promised me the time that I'm going to spend replacing my old windows to the new ones. They comply with the time frame, very professional. I can say that I can recommend Paradise Windows for, any friend of mine that requests they want to new windows, I can recommend Paradise Windows.